Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage. I did film this one in the charity shop because I wasn't going to buy it, and then I changed my mind. I thought £1.99, we can have a bit of fun and then decide what to do with it. Yucky stuff, Speed Poo. I do have a few poo related videos, so check the video description and there'll be a playlist for them. Speedo Poo. Drives, spins, farts. Hilarious fart sound. Well, we've got to try it, haven't we? Branded graphics at the bottom there. Needs 2 AAA batteries for the poo, and a couple of button cells for the controller. Well, there's clearly batteries in the controller, but it's been left switched on, so it looks like we'll have to replace the batteries in there. Okay. Well, that was good. Put batteries in it. There was no trace of any corrosion or anything, so good condition. So when I press forwards, both wheels spin. When I press reverse, just that one spins in the opposite direction. So that'll spin it round. And then the amusing fart sound. Yeah, okay, we'll give it a run on the floor. Well, I reckon that's brilliant. Nice, simple, good, clean toilet humour. And once you get the hang of which way is the front, you can actually send it where you want. That sort of square bit on it, black bit, is the front. Well worth the £1.99 I paid for it. Very pleased with that. It's only got 4 screws holding it together, so we'll have a quick peek inside while we're at it. how do you come apart? Just lift off perhaps? Turn it at all? No. Something else is holding it. Wonder if there's another screw underneath the battery compartment. Nope, no screw in there. It does feel like it just levers off. Yeah, it's a soft. The poo is soft. Put that down. There we go. Right, so aerial's up there on the little copper foil. Receiver, speaker, motor, gearbox. I'm not going to take it any further apart than that, but I might see if I can do a close-up of the chip. Right, so it is an RX2 chip, the sort of thing I'm familiar with. And I expect that one there will be the H-bridge to drive the motor. Yeah, oh well, there we go. I'll put it back together now. Yeah, it goes back together quite a bit easier if I use something to lever the poo. So that'll do. You don't need to watch me put all the screws back in again. We've had a look inside and see how it works. I don't know what frequency it is. I suppose it actually says on there. How about the box? (2019) graphics. No, it doesn't say what frequency. Not that I can see. Right, just checked it out. This controller is 27 megahertz. Forwards is actually backwards on here. And spin is the forwards. And then the fart noise is the right button. Yeah, just the right. Forwards, turn, forwards, forwards. So yeah, 27 megahertz. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel. And down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.